near the Champions League. Not team that's
and America say no munya flamboyance. But how they compare we now we were from
2021.
It is still number.
Then a pedigree. Let's move on.
Good fellow.
As now far as no way they didn't by quarter.
I don't good fellow DB to Swana.
No, Obano. I know sending message say chatting at top.
So by the same thing
this season Charles Besage Champions League.
Until me say uncle
better na say Bianca me
to they be one no say
me to
uncle be been to so.
Eh na good fellow there.
Say good fellow bet you dey to so fear.
Chama na yan fa way into so. Dey see anymore.
On for 2K into so. O say e kwa bi wa tiache. Eje tetanes o sania.
Me konkan kwaja.
Oh, we say o di mo money baba. Na say e go for we see aposi wa party bia. E good fellow sika dey di party. Eje pushing no for bi to so.
We are sure also the Champions League.
Final the way a memo.
O person game. My last game our group stage no money
against
Napoli.
Which final near me. But so was Chelsea begia. It means that they will be in at anytime you me for Libiano
minimum boss ne vim no the throw message no. Enya sa no ka no.
Jesus is new.
Say I go at me. Obetra no kike kan se mo ba me no we kire wa me so mo.
Ya obe me akobeta na.
Say like me no me no. Scan ebia na say be fa be fufu dia.
But say open say betimi akọ.
Okay, so open dia me say no. I my prank ni say no ha me. We pu bi apia ba no.
It will be to Zara.
It will be better. Go to say it ya me di. My beje papa no me dia nenam gwan.
Ye say. You opinion good fellow. Me Gina sports team name. Then I'll put 2,000 on it. That Chelsea be free Angelo. You also give us 2,000.
2,000. I'm a baby 2,000.
Oh, yeah, watch party in every
could you become in
2,000 by the best
for 3,000 can
there was no Chelsea.
Because you show the same conventions. You bet me at the Champions League.
Barca that Chelsea. But who of him is a Barca? I don't understand. Mr. Minka Ayala. Me the who.
No, there be some. Can't talk about 2 days
ago. I asked you. Okay, me say Barca beat me because of the ball. Yes, you mentioned Barca. Because of the list of Omo Champions League. Abo Barca and Amo Barca.
Oh, there.
Omo City and Amo City and Amo City.
Memo City.
Omo City. Yeah. Omo Barca. Omo Paris Saint-Germain. No. Omo Paris Saint-Germain.
David. Omo Timenje.
Okay.
Omo Timenje.
Okay, one beji.
Champions League. Arsenal, Liverpool, Real Madrid.
Liverpool are saying. How many points does Liverpool?
Pedigree. A good fellow better than yes or no guy.
But what is
Chelsea is not playing well, but pedigree.
Exactly. So Chelsea
is a pedigree, no. Liverpool is struggling, but don't bring to that pedigree and win the Champions League.
But Barca also has pedigree.
But Barca the problem no. Kakra. Also defense in football team. Say
now only Vim Barca bet the Chelsea
good fellow na me to win Chibet. What am ready for me to win Chibet. There one corner come no bet Chibet. Say ya na some boss na me who dey me do it.
Tell say we have video conversation dey come.
Odi e wusa asem na ebu na fe
obi a me ka say the team bet Champions League.
Ka wo dey. Obi kan dey there.
Me Champions League me mo bi tie me. Me Champions League me
obi sa wo say. Na ni tie ni say ka o ka bi kura.
Oh, I na okay.
But say we be dey kan because we pie ni so okay. But there was okay.
Enti 2 years ago na ma mo bi no. Ana obegina tateka
bo. Heckle me wa.
Na me heckle.
Na heckle.
Champions League ya mo bi afigo on say munye de. Munye de.
Na team na ka be won.
O say team na de share City 5 na e va anye 3 na me get ba. Yes, City 5. Va no say there we dey
NBA Champions League.
How? Like
Chelsea there is a
Champions League.
And it's not
possible.
But the times Chelsea have won the Champions League, those were times you said
how was that win?
Oh, then win. Took your time, you know. Almost every step. Yes, you better Chelsea. Almost every step. Nobody gave Chelsea a dog chance.
Do you remember me a comment na?
Me time me drew a make catch and be can air. And me pay Okan.
Why am I ready?
Okan dey me pay me catch you, but you sabe chia dan ke kume. Me pesa caro. Me snow.
Etina come me boss dey ko be.
The way music kai once kai. There for say
what do value card what do value card 20,000 from your farmer.
And we do that. Chairman says it was so again. So now look at
me. To me ready now mo dey better off about.
Okay. If you are 5k.
Better for you saying. Better for you saying.
O dey we an ya.
That's it. You be no fair. Na chairman, sir bibia boko le.
Bibia boko.
Enka boko.
Bibia boko.
E dey amiase. Na o dey kumase nye no netia. Anopay.
Now you're supposed to go ahead and go with my go. This week, and no man if you're one of Park, go with me, I come back to me that time. Then I'm guessing I'm going to find me. No man go Kumasi this week. And I don't
didn't buy.
But me person me busa good fellow one question pe. Unse ono ope krumwa astute marketers are okay. Marketing adwuma so dey. Say o make sure say o the product be na o be attracting comfort to their product. Yeah. That is basically what marketing. Nti we follow be 2-3 years in here. You didn't come out by a Premier League ne attraction and conform. I know so you've done consultancy jobs for some Premier League clubs and so alongside what you might but from where you sit and then knowledge in marketing solutions in be a day.
Okay, so Ayala, first of all, I didn't a basic. Our idea about football is where the problem starts. Or share the developed countries, how they see football as business. Are buying to as a very important part of their GDP, and all of that, is a basis. How are not those times? Maybe how football evolved in Ghana is part of the problem. So you want to say, you did grow. I mean, to
the business aspect in it.
So that is a problem.
Okay.
The foundation is more entertainment.
Yes. So we're not.
Bobo.
Has Nekotoko for. I mean, we are doing banter and all of that. So I think that is the problem. Secondly, when a developer a more a business and how a more profitable and all of that too, our systems are not helping us. I think that, as I said, it may share GFA. Now buying so edin na nsim na GFA efi illegal. Let's use the model that the English are using. You're forming a company. GFA will stake home. Buying so will stake home. Now you seed fund in the moment as a Premier League company or something to run this professionally. Because we share how the structure is a GFA executives or clubs or more interest in clubs on one committee and a referee a selected approve stadium. We are not going to go anywhere because I mean if I'm a GFA president and I'm a club or I'm
protecting interest.
Very simple. So we need to resolve that foundation right, because I know that there are people if these things are done or no more so are they we are the systems are correct. I mean, me first can be shame no be ancient. I mean, me team boy pa no be means and points. Because I mean, all these competitions that people qualify to play also bring in revenue. So we need to resolve that baseline structure. Yeah, resolve it. We are if you resolve it, you will see the number of corporate entities who will throw in money.
Okay.
Because if I'm marketing director of a brand, now the numbers are going well and there are no issues around the league. In sense, NBA no controversy, no, I'll throw in money because I mean that's where the eyeballs are.
Okay.
When we resolve that baseline, you'll see the number of sponsorships that the club will get, that the clubs and the league itself will
make. The autonomy system.
Yes.
And yes, swift.
Now, you run your day. Yes, will be interest. If the managers of that league company is not doing well, you sack the person.
And it's true.
And you set
because there's a conflict of interest.
Yes. Yeah, resolve it. That is the baseline. It will be and fewer. Last time I bind the through a certain arrangement at the 20 million and all of that.
Through a design production.
We would be able to rake in a lot more because then so at the long run and profitable and gaming so in far. But we are also to mean keeping talent and keeping the talent would also mean that you are paying them well.
Of course.
Keeping the talent means that one more condition of service are correct. Because we be or no or 5,000 CDs. League I'm sure that one of the best players in the big clubs will be taking that amount of money. Now club view Israel now say Sudan throw in even $1,000 a month manner or show me conditioner. So if we resolve that problem and we resolve the funding issues now, you will see that clubs will be able to retain their players, play much more time in Ghana. I mean, say me a football fan. Now, there's a game. Now, me expecting some players to basically go to the stadium.
Okay.
Until you resolve that baseline area, you see that even the clubs will even up their game, and then we'll be able to see the benefit that will reap. But the structure that we are running there, it's a problem.
Time.
Last one.
I will think. And Saturday.
So had my last one, and said that your question, but probably be your opinion about it. You see, this autonomous partner had been launched. Yet the obedience said to be after and are to him. But we still not realize it. And say the way a good fellow walking say I didn't a year a club owners now be benefit you. Until you expect to be said to be the way we are astute no. Or say a day we as say a day we can accelerate your commercial value no matter come. Na a car may ball has no. Yeah, fix structure now, bet me am and improve the way I made this carry money be. So me issue in say he has or year juma around the corporate environment or better asier than me. Why does people be to say to they are around at the end, but they can't get it done. They can't push to get it done.
No. But when I think that Senna are buying when there's an issue by binding and NC from Kaza. We need ABCD done. Kofi should take a decision.
Yes.
When you do the football economy, if it's done well, the benefit of the brand by enormous. Enormous. If you go and watch, even on a typical match day in England, you could see it's a whole. People are waiting for the game. From transportation through merchandising. It's we have to take a decision, Charlie. Take a decision. Say this is how we want it done.
Okay.
And find a way to ensure that we do it. Because I did the Jama club owners and then GF they will dance around it.
Okay.
Because they don't want to lose their grip on it.
So good fellow, what you are trying to say is that the initial idea of clubs name for seed money, bruh, then go and form that company that will run the league, you know. The government should also be the leader, the front runner.
Yes.
No, and for no seed money, bruh. Then urge the clubs to bring whatever they can. Now come down.
Now only moment, no see Charlie. Instead of some of the mama, may the fix some structure.
Yeah, but
seed money now.
Better time now. Yes, I the good fellow about him say ne. Obi name so dia chempa.
Bema wo Junso